Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about high level programming languages POP and OOP. We have already made a video on the basics of programming. Please check out that video before watching this. First, what is POP? POP stands for Procedure Oriented Programming. In POP, a program is divided into small procedures or functions. The main focus is on functions and the sequence of action. For example, C, Pascal. The characteristics of POP. First, function-centered approach. For example, a calculator program may have separate functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Second, top-down approach. For example, the host organize the party, make guest list and invites, order cake, snacks, soft drinks, music playlist, games, which means it starts with main task, then break into subtasks till the implementation step. Limitations of POP. First is less security. Data is often shared globally, making it easier to access and modify. Second, difficult for large projects. As programs become large, managing many functions become difficult. Here, OOP enters. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. In OOP, programs are organized around objects rather than functions. Example Java, C++. Characteristics of OOP. First, object-based structure. For example, a car can be represented as an object with properties like color, speed, and brand. Second, better data security. Data can be protected using access modifiers and encapsulation. Now the limitations of OOP. First, more complexity. For beginners, OOP concepts may be harder to understand than POP. Second, require more memory. Objects and classes can consume more memory than simple procedure programs. Now the difference between POP and OOP. POP focuses on function, OOP focuses on objects. POP uses top-down approach, OOP uses bottom-up approach. POP uses less security, OOP uses more security. POP data and functions are separate. In OOP, data and functions are combined. Now basic principles of POP. First, data abstraction. Second, inheritance. Third, polymorphism. Fourth, encapsulation. Data abstraction means showing only important information and hiding unnecessary details. Think about driving a car. We use steering wheels, brake, accelerator, but we don't know how the engine works internally. Then inheritance. Allow one class to acquire properties and behaviors to another class. Suppose vehicle is the parent class and car is the child class. A car automatically gets common features of a vehicle such as wheel, engine, speed, etc. Third, polymorphism. Poly stands for many and morphism stands for forms. The same action can behave differently in different situations. Consider the word play. A child play with toy, a musician play a guitar, a cricketer plays cricket. The word is same, but the action changes according to the situation. Now fourth, encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping data and methods together into a single unit and protects the data from direct access. Think of a medicine capsule. Instead the capsule, many ingredients are packed together and protected. Similarly in OOP, data and methods are kept together inside a class. Today up to this, in the next video, we will be talking about the Java, history, creator, interesting facts, features, and so on.